Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service light on a Nissan Altima, 2018 in this case. Here you have your menu on your steering wheel. You want to hit the menu until you get to the main menu, driver assistance menu. You want to press the down arrow here. I'm going to move back a little so you can see. Press the down arrow until you get to maintenance. Once you get to maintenance, you want to press this in. That will bring you to your service menu. If you want to reset your tire pressure, you'd go to tire pressure. If you want to reset your oil light, you go to service, and you set how many miles until it asks you again. And then you scroll down to where it says reset, you press the button, and it will reset that light. Once you do that, your service light will go off. If you need to reset your tire pressure, you go to tire. Actually, that's not for tire pressure.